Hi there, Monkey Mo. Later, baby. Hi. Where's your toes? Oh, there they are. There's your toes. I'll be right there, Ava. Where's your toes? Layla, where's your toes? Show mommy your toes. Show mommy your toes, Layla. There they are. Good girl. You were such a smart girl. You're such a smart girl. There's your toes. You're my little smarty pants. I already know where your toes are. Where's your nose? Do you know where your nose is? Or you only know your toes? I cannot believe you're 4 months old and you already know where your toes are. There's your toes. Yeah, there they are.